What's new in CAMWorks 2018? New enhancements for milling in CAMWorks 2018 include the ability to quickly and easily align the stock for machining of individual or multiple parts, even at odd angles, using the CAMWorks Stock Manager. Automatic feature recognition has been enhanced to find machinable features automatically based on Z depth and arrange them in a user configurable order based on the feature type and Z level. A new feature sort command has also been added to make feature sorting easier than ever. CAMWorks 2018 also includes a new state-of-the-art 3-axis toolpath engine. The new 3-axis machining engine includes scallop machining, bottom-up machining, and a new and improved arc fit routine to improve surface finish and produce higher quality parts faster using less code. The ability to mirror parts at a setup level has been added to easily create a right and left-hand version of a part. New functionality to output subroutines and choose the output order for multiple part machining is also included, along with a host of other great new enhancements. For more information, go to www.camworks.com.